Welcome coders. Today's challenge has 7 Java MCQ questions. Are you ready to test yourself? Comment your score at the end. Don't forget to subscribe. 7 Part 3. This Java expression is tricky. Can you guess the output of this code with pre-increment and post-decrement? It looks simple, but two bugs are hiding in plain sight. Comment your answer, and if you spot the bug, you are a Java pro. Options are on the screen: A, B, C, or D. You think you know strings in Java? This code uses concat, but will the original string change? Look carefully, there's a catch in this logic. Two bugs are silently killing the output. Can you crack this? Comment your answer: A, B, C, or D. This one is about arrays. Can you find the bug before your program crashes? Look at that index. Something's not right here. Two bugs in this simple looking code. Which option do you choose: A, B, C, or D? Here's a Java integer comparison puzzle. When you compare two objects using equals, what do you expect? Is it true or false? Or maybe an exception? Two hidden bugs are waiting. Choose wisely: A, B, C, or D. How well do you understand string objects in Java? Using new with string might lead to surprises. This looks easy, but it's actually a trap with two bugs. Can you spot the mistake? Comment your answer: A, B, C, or D. Post-increment, pre-increment, and post-decrement all in one line. Java doesn't forgive sloppy order of operations. Two sneaky bugs here can confuse even the best. Ready for the challenge? Choose A, B, C, or D. Here's a string transformation code, but wait. Will to uppercase, or replace, actually modify the string? If you don't understand immutability, you fall for this one. Two classic bugs are hidden here. Can you figure it out? What's the right answer? Comment your answer fast. And if you crack the bug, you're a genius. For more tricky Java challenges like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.